Salut, como ça va? Welcome back to my channel C'est Français. In today's video, we are going to study one of the most basic grammar topic, the indefinite articles, les articles indéfinis. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe so you don't miss any video in the future. Let's begin. An article is used to introduce a noun. In French, it agrees with the number and gender of the noun that we are talking about. So, we have two types of articles in French, les articles indéfinis and les articles définis. In today's video, we are going to be dealing with les articles indéfinis, which are the indefinite articles. So, in English, we have the indefinite articles a and an, and we don't have the plural one, but in French we have it because all the nouns agree in number and gender. So the distinction between a and an as such does not exist in French. In fact, here the difference is based on the gender of the noun. So if my noun is masculine, I use the indefinite article un. If my noun is feminine, I use the indefinite article une. If the noun is in the plural form, I will use they, which means some. Let's look at some examples. So if the noun is a person, then it is very easy to identify. Say for example, un homme, which is a man. So man will obviously be masculine. Un garçon, which is a boy, will always be masculine. So we use the indefinite article un. For feminine nouns, we have une femme, which is a woman, une fille, which is a girl. Now, let's look at some more examples. Now, these are non-living things, but still in French, all the nouns have genders. So they are either masculine or feminine. So if you look at the first one, un stylo, it means a pen. So I use the article un, which means the gender of pen is masculine. Same way I use une robe, which is a dress. The gender of dress is feminine, so I use une. Now, these articles are fixed. What I mean by that is their genders are pre-decided and we cannot change them as per our convenience. So if the gender of stylo, which means a pen, is masculine, it is supposed to remain that way. And for robe, which is feminine, it will be feminine only. Now, a noun is always accompanied with an article, though there are a few exceptions where we do not write the indefinite article. Let's look at each one of them. First is with nationalities. So if I talk about somebody's nationality from the country which they belong to, say for example, je suis Indian, I am Indian. I can say I am an Indian person in English where I use the article an. But in French, with nationalities, we will never use the indefinite articles. Second one is with professions. So example, elle est professeur, she is a professor. So in English, I am using the indefinite article a, but in French, I will avoid. The last one, the third one, is with exclamations, or for that matter, exclamatory sentences. So let's take an example. What a beautiful landscape. In French, it will be quel beau paysage, but the article will not be written. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was useful in any ways, hit the like button, and once again don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to post many such videos related to the French culture and the French grammar. Au revoir. Bye.